Embarking on a journey to comprehend the intricacies of human interaction becomes a multifaceted task when meeting someone new. The initial encounter bombards us with a plethora of information, necessitating a profound understanding of communication dynamics. Experts assert that the bulk of communication, a staggering 55%, emanates from body language, 38% from the tone of voice, and a mere 7% from spoken words. This underscores the paramount importance of meticulously considering these factors, coupled with a keen observation of a person's appearance when forming nuanced impressions. 1. Eye contact. Dive into the intricate world of eye contact, often deemed the window to the soul. Grasping the subtleties of prolonged gazes, indicating potential romantic interest, versus averted eyes, signaling nervousness or concealed motives, unveils a wealth of information. 2. Eyebrows. Embark on a visual journey of emotional expression through eyebrows. The nuanced shifts in their movement unveil three primary emotions: surprise, worry, and fear. Observing these subtle cues provides valuable insights into a person's comfort level within the interaction. 3. Smile. Navigate the terrain of smiles, where the mouth may deceive, but the eyes cannot. Genuine smiles leave an indelible mark around the eyes, forming crinkles. The absence of such crinkles may serve as a telltale sign of hidden agendas. 4. What they say. Embark on a linguistic analysis by paying meticulous attention to how individuals articulate their thoughts about others. Positive descriptions often correlate with kindness and good manners, while negative portrayals may unveil underlying traits. 5. Paralanguage. Delve into the realm of nonverbal communication, exploring tone, pitch, and manner of speaking. Decode the enigma of monotone responses, often indicative of disinterest, and unravel the layers of sarcasm, a linguistic device that frequently conceals true intentions. 6. Side glance. Unlock the mysteries of subconscious body language, where a quick glance away serves as a revealing sign of discomfort or a latent desire to disengage from the ongoing interaction. 7. Frequent nodding. Enter the realm of nodding, a seemingly agreeable gesture that, when excessive, may betray underlying anxieties or doubts about the effectiveness of communication. 8. Chin and jaw. Embark on an observational journey of hand movements, particularly the act of rubbing hands, a visual manifestation of positive anticipation. Conversely, a clenched jaw unveils stress or discomfort, regardless of the verbal narrative. 9. Posture. Decipher the language of posture, where a confident stance with upright shoulders and direct eye contact signifies self-assuredness. Contrastingly, slouching and downward gazes may not only indicate lower self-esteem, but also hint at a different set of personality traits. 10. Handshake. Navigate the intricacies of handshakes, each nuanced detail revealing subtleties of dominance, submission, and time considerations. The length, intensity, and manner of a handshake all contribute to an intricate tapestry of personality insights. 11. Leaning in or away. Embark on an exploration of body language during conversations, where leaning in symbolizes interest and respect, while leaning away may indicate varying degrees of disengagement. 12. Holding the baby. Unravel the unique language of parental body language, where the left arm hold suggests happiness and the right arm hold may indicate stress or unease. 13. Crossed arms and legs. Uncover the intricacies of physical barriers, such as crossed arms or legs, which, despite positive verbal communication, hint at a lack of openness and receptivity. 14. Shoes. Embark on an unexpected journey of personality revelation through shoe choices. From nervous individuals with pristine shoes to amiable personalities favoring practical footwear, This facet of observation unveils unspoken characteristics. 15. Overall appearance. Delve into the meticulous details of grooming and dressing habits, as the overall presentation reflects an individual's attention to detail and provides valuable insights into their personality. 16. Copying body language. Unearth the subconscious phenomenon of mimicking body language, where mirroring another person's gestures reflects a high level of comfort and harmony within the ongoing conversation. By immersing yourself in the mastery of reading these nuanced cues, you embark on a journey of acquiring a profound understanding of others. Share your observations in the comments and stay tuned to Brainy Dose for a continual stream of insightful content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for regular updates on this riveting exploration of human interaction.